Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello friends, welcome to Learn the New Planet channel. So today in this video we are going to see how to activate Windows by installing KMS. So we all were faced many of the problems with Windows. That is, when you has not activated a new window which was installed recently, you will get the screen like this. If you are using Windows 10, you will get as activate Windows, go to settings to activate Windows. It will be as a watermark on the right bottom of the screen. It will overcomes every pages and tabs that you open in your softwares. Or if you are using a Windows 7 OS, you will get a watermark as like this: Windows 7 built something number. This copy of Windows is not genuine. So today we are going to see how to solve for this situation. For that you have to install an application, that is a portable one, which can be just 50 MBs approximately. So I have given the link of this file in description. You can go there and download this. This was in the format of zip, so that you have to extract this by right clicking on the icon and click extract here. Once the extraction process was completed, you will see the icon like this. So try to open this. It says that operation did not completed successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software. They are coming to say that this was a harmful software to Windows because we are attempting to activate the Windows. So I will guarantee that it was not a virus, but it is used to activate the Windows. You can trust me, and it will never cause any harm to you. So if you got a message like this, you have to navigate to Windows Defender. You can search this in Start menu. Open the application, so will show like this. Now you have to click on settings and then switch off real-time protection. So you has got a message, turn on virus protection, but it is just for a few minutes. After that you can turn it on, no problem will be here. So activation, there is a tab now. You can click it and check whether the Windows is activated. They has given two categories, edition and activation. Edition, they has given Windows 10 Pro, and activation status, Windows is not activated. Now we are going to activate this. I will just keep this tab and minimize. Now it will be turned into red, that is the protection is off. So now once again you have to extract here and then attempt to open this. Now it has said no error. Wait for a few seconds for the application to run. Then this window will be opened here. Here they has given two icons, which means the first one is denoted for the Office icon. That is, if you are using Microsoft Office, then you can use this to activate that. They has given a tab Microsoft Office. You can click it and change the version of your Office. I has installed 2016, that's why it has fixed it as 2016. So next, here another tab is there which denotes the Windows. This is useful to activate Windows. Now they have given some of the basic information of this computer. Supported, yes. If it was said no, then you could not able to activate this. So architect, it is 32-bit, that is 68 into. So product, it is Windows 10, number 10.0. In the activation tab, you have to select Auto KMS and then install it. And then you will get a message as Auto KMS was installed successfully. Now try to activate this. Wait for few seconds, but no installed product key as detected. Now click on product key tab and then select the Windows that you are used. I am using Windows 10, that is professional. Now install this. Product key installation successful. You will get the message like this. Now go to activation tab and activate it. Now let me check whether the Windows was activated or not. Go to activation menu and you can see here that activation has said Windows is activated. Even after these steps were successful, if you have not got this, then just restart your computer once. Then it will show Windows is activated. If you like this video, share this to your friends and don't forget to subscribe, learn the new Planner channel. If you have any doubts about the tech or something else unknown in this world, you can ask in comment section.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.